people. If you're vaccinated and have a known exposure to a suspected or confirmed case of COVID, you should be tested 3 to 5 days after that initial exposure. You should also wear a mask in public indoor settings for 2 weeks or until you get a negative test result. And you should isolate for 10 days if you test positive for COVID.
Yeah, Governor Abbott experienced what's known as a breakthrough infection. Well, the CDC says they are expected. These type of infections are rare.
The vaccine was never billed as a cure for the virus, and of the 169 million people who have been vaccinated in the United States, only 0.29% have tested positive for COVID-19, far less than 1%. I shared this on social media, Chris, but for those of you who don't know, I'm also a breakthrough case. I caught COVID last month and I'm fully vaccinated. My doctor says that the vaccine did what it was supposed to do. I had a mild case. I didn't end up in the hospital, and obviously I didn't die.
Yeah, I think you were down for about a day or two.
A day or two, yep,
Yeah.
And then bounced right back.
All right, and we're glad to have you too.
Thank you.
All right, public health officials say there are tremendous benefits to getting vaccinated. The CDC says they make it harder for the virus to infect you, and perhaps most importantly, if you do get infected, like Izzy, you usually have minimal symptoms. Almost all of the fully vaccinated people who have contracted COVID have survived. And when it comes to public health, vaccines can prevent the virus from spreading and replicating, giving it less chance to mutate and become more resistant to vaccines.